So here is how I made this outfit. I started with the illustration and I started making the corset. The interesting thing about the corset is that it's not just like a plain corset. I had to make the corset in pieces and then I started placing overlays of tools, like double tools on them, which took about a week to make. So here's the corset I've just, and this is not just all. I made the bottom of this and I made it to the top. Here I was dancing, that's all. And afterwards I started building the dress. I wanted the dress to look as natural as possible, so I used a bead that had the same color with the dress to be the main body of the dress, so that when I use the crystal on it, it's going to pop out. So here's the dress. Oh, wow, so beautiful. Look how cute it is. Yay! I took a total of 21 days to make this. Make it happen.